naka-line up?
I can't talk about it yet.
So, meron ka pa rin pause sa mga sasabi walang limitations. Kung talaga maganda yung
Yun talaga.
pag-reveal or sa pag-reveal.
Siguro, I want to make sure na festival worthy siya.
Fan-fest, film fest, more.
International. Not only Cannes, there are lots of prestigious award-winning award-giving bodies sa ibang bansa. Hindi lang naman kailangan Cannes, diba? Maraming mga iba. So if it's a material, it's a script that I feel na madadala kami doon or feeling ko kaya kong gampanan at bigyan ng hustisya, tatanggapin ko.
Pero dito wala kang hubad-hubad dito sa
Dito po sa movie. Siyempre, andun pa rin yung pagiging Paolo Gumabao na may konting, pero hindi na
all out.
hindi na kagaya ng dati. Pero medyo mainit-init pa rin.
Parang may something na sa inyo agad yan.
Ha?
May something agad sa inyo.
I know. I admire her. I admire her a lot because she's a talented actress. Aside from that, she's a very passionate actress, which bihira ako makita sa Pilipinas. I've never actually, to be honest with you guys, I never worked with a female actress in the Philippines that would go through the script with me. Sa harap pa lang yung nakakatrabaho ko na ganito. That's why I appreciate it so much. And kasi ako, that's the type of actor that I am. Pag binigay mo sa akin yung script, I dissect it. I have notes on my script. Lahat yan meron. And sobrang appreciative ko kay Sarah kasi nakita ko rin pagdating niya, she was ready also. May notes din, may highlights lahat. So sabi ko, okay, this shoot, she's a professional, she's passionate, she's dedicated, and I na-realize ko na this shoot is gonna go smoothly.
When are you leaving for Czech Republic?
For Prague, we're leaving on February 6.
So doon na kayo magba-Valentine's Day?
Yeah, actually Valentine's Day shoot namin ni Sarah din. May shoot kami.
Oh, hindi ka ba nang inayang na may boyfriend na si Sarah?
Bakit naman?
Pero pa-open ka ba
chance,
to
diba?
having a relationship with a foreigner na
Oo,
babae?
yung ganun.
I mean, not Sarah.
No,
but,
love is love.
Huh?
Love is love. Love does not know race, age, gender. Love is love. Yan lang naman.
Pero wala kang girlfriend ngayon. Ngayon wala kang girlfriend.
I am single ngayon. I can proudly say that I am single.
Pero hindi ka pa
But I am
nagka-girlfriend ng
enjoying my
foreigner,
single
diba?
life. I am enjoying my single life. I'm not looking for a girlfriend. Masaya ako na nakaka-focus ako sa trabaho ko ngayon. Masaya ako na wala akong kailangan i-text pagkatapos ng pack-up. Baby, tapos na po, pauwi na po. Alin na kailangan. So, na-enjoy ko yung single life and wala, sa totoo lang, for the first time in a long time, hindi ko naiisip yung relationship.
Paolo,
Ano ako ngayon sa career?
Paolo, anong reaction ng dad mo doon sa mga nangyayari sa'yo ngayon?
Nakausap mo na ba?
Oh, yung dad mo, anong reaction sa mga nangyayaring magaganda
Sa
sa'yo?
mga gandang nangyayari sa karir mo daw.
Kung nakausap mo
Kung
na.
nakausap mo.
Yeah, well, to be honest, hindi pa kami nakapag-usap masyado ever since the pandemic. Pero may mga, kunwari, sila Marco or mga ibang kapatid ko na pag nakabisita sila, oy, pinapasabi ni Papa na congrats daw. So may mga ganun na nakikita, siyempre may TV din sila dun sa Bilibid. At nakikita niya rin, napapanood niya rin, inaabangan niya rin yung love niya, which I'm very nakaka-touch siyempre. Pinapanood niya daw kasama yung mga ibang inmates, ganyan. So, happy din siya. Happy, he's proud, and I'm also very proud to be representing siyempre our family sa industriya.
How is it working with Janelle and Jane Sadar?
Working with, sige, so una kay Jane, si Jane nakita ko at naramdaman ko yung effort niya, kung gaano niya kamahal at kung gaano niya gusto na maging maganda ang teleserye. Ang Darna, grabe din yung effort niya. She's a really sweet person, a really genuine person, and she's the type of person na kaya mong lapitan. Pag may kailangan kang... Siyempre, pag naging close na kayo, siya yung tipong a shoulder to cry on. And si Janela naman, Janela, I think, is one of the most intelligent actors of our generation. Janela is so intelligent. Ang sarap niya kausap. There's never dead air when you talk to her. When you talk to her, she always has sense. She always makes sense when she speaks. And aside from that, she's also a very talented actress. And the reason why she's a talented actress is because she's an intelligent person. Kaya, kailangan niya.
Okay.
Thank you, Sir Jay. Thank you, Sir Jay.